Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Expanding your vocabulary can be fun and effective. Let's dive into today's idiom and phrase, helping you express yourself better and sound more fluent. Today's idiom is slay, which means to do something exceptionally well. For example, you might say, "You slayed that presentation." Now let's explore the phrase, "It's not rocket science." This means that something is not that complicated. You can use it when explaining something simple. Now you've learned a new idiom and phrase. Incorporate slay and "it's not rocket science" into your conversations to sound more fluent and confident. Keep exploring new words every day.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.